Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce business formation costs with ZenBusiness step by step clearly. If you're looking to reduce business formation costs, ZenBusiness can help you save time and money. First, visit the ZenBusiness website. Browse through the services they offer. Choose the business structure that best fits your needs, such as an LLC or corporation. Select the package that suits your budget and requirements. Consider starting with the basic package if you are on a tight budget. Review the features included in each package. Pay attention to any additional services that might add extra costs. Create an account or log in to your existing ZenBusiness account. Start the business formation process by filling out the required information. Provide accurate details about your business name and address. ZenBusiness will guide you through the necessary paperwork. Consider using their registered agent services to save on additional costs. Double-check your submissions to avoid costly mistakes later. Follow any prompts to pay the necessary fees. Take advantage of any discounts or promotions available. Once submitted, monitor your email for confirmation and updates from ZenBusiness. After your business is officially formed, remember to explore ongoing support services. Utilizing ZenBusiness's resources can lead to further savings in operational costs. By following these steps, you will effectively reduce the costs of forming your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.